Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Alliance Iron Mine and Whiteout Survival. In this video, let's go over how to get an Alliance Iron Mine in Whiteout Survival. First, open your Alliance menu, tap on Territory. If you're far from your Alliance base, simply press Teleport, and it'll take you right there. Once you arrive, take a moment to explore the Alliance zone. You'll usually find iron mines scattered nearby. To locate one faster, tap the search bar, select Abandoned Shelter, and then hit Gather. If your gathering attempt succeeds, you'll officially occupy that iron mine and start earning resources for both you and your alliance. Remember, these mines can be contested, so keep an eye out for rival players trying to take them over. And that's it. Hopefully, this quick guide helps you manage and secure your very own alliance iron mine and whiteout survival. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.